Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can combine 2 or more video clips in your projects on Shotcut in 2025. So let us get started. Alright guys, so navigate to your video project on Shotcut and start by adding your first video clip to your first video track. Let me go with that video clip here for the sake of this tutorial. Now guys, for this method you will need to add at least one more video track to your video project or to your timeline, depending on how many of these video clips you would like to merge later in your frame here. So let me add a second video track here. To do that, click into timeline, these 3 lines here, select track operations, and simply choose add video track or use the shortcut Ctrl-I for that. That is going to add the second video track. So next, head over to your library and simply drag the video clip you would like to merge with your second video clip to your second video track like that. Release your left mouse and that's it. Now you can adjust the length, of course, so that your second video clip aligns with the length of the first one, just like that. And in the next step, guys, you will need to apply a resizing filter to both of your video clips. To do that, navigate to filters, make sure that the upper video clip is selected first, and after that you will apply the same filter to the lower video clip. So navigate to filters, click into plus, and here guys, look for a resizing filter called size, position, and rotate. Of course, if you like, you may bookmark it here to the left to add it to your favorites. And that's it. After that, simply use that box here to resize your second video clip. You may also use that handle here in the middle to position it. Let me add or position it somewhere here to the left and resize it a bit more, just like that, so that it covers almost half or goes to the half or middle of that frame, just like that. And we're going to do the same with the first video clip as well. So select it on your timeline here, navigate to filters, click into plus, and apply the same resizing filter, just like that. And do the same, just resize it, just like that. Position it, for example, somewhere here. And there you go. Perfect. Now go back to the beginning of the video and watch the preview if you like. And that's basically it. And as previously mentioned, guys, you can do that with as many clips as you like and merge and combine them. For example, I would move that one here to the top left corner, resize it a bit more. That one here, let me select it to the upper right corner. And simply, guys, add video track number 3 and video track number 4. And repeat the same process. Navigate to your library, add the video clip to video track 3 and 4, apply these resizing filters to each one of them, position one of them in the bottom left and one in the bottom right. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. After that, simply export your video clip as one with these merged video clips. That's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.